Is your child ready to unlock their true potential? Do you feel your child has abilities, but they are still hidden? You are at the right place. With Abacus training, we help children discover skills they never knew they had. Many people think the abacus is only about maths. And yes, many children feel maths is difficult.
But the truth is, maths is a life skill. From school exams to daily life, maths is everywhere. Even in daily life, we use maths all the time.
Wait, how much is this? This is confusing.
But somewhere, children start fearing it. They think it is difficult, confusing, or boring, foaming. And this fear, if not solved early, stays for life. That's why even simple calculations later we need a calculator.
At Chanakya Abacus, we believe maths is not just about numbers. It is about training the brain. It is about building focus, speed, and confidence. Our program makes learning simple and fun. They learn to calculate mentally, without fear. In Chanakya Abacus class, children develop better memory, stronger concentration, faster calculation speed, and higher accuracy. They improve listening, observation, imagination, and confidence. We support complete brain development. Our structured 8-level program covers everything step by step, and from basics to advanced concepts. Since 2012, we have helped thousands of students grow and earn the trust of many parents.
Now, it's your turn. Join Chanakya Abacus. Give your child the confidence they deserve. Contact us today.